Oh my god, why did I think about that before? Yay, sexy Mario Brothers. To the rescue. Making it. What the? Hey, I want that treat. Fox can't handle it all. You stupid fluffy animal, what? Then why there's mice in a level if I didn't notice? Stop invading. It's ridiculous. I have no clue. Oh my god, now it's great. Now it's great. Stuff is great. Ooh, fudge nuggets. Now I want more treats. I want the fox to eat the birds instead. That's his. Well, you know, foxes are omnivores. I didn't know that. I thought it would be just true carnivores. To just eat. Wow, that's why I love foxes. Fluffy, fluffy animals. Really good. History's over.